If you're a startup founder looking to build a website without the hassle of coding, you might have come across Unicorn, a platform that promises to simplify the process. But does it really deliver? Let's dig in. Unicorn is designed to be an intuitive website builder specifically aimed at startups and entrepreneurs. Right off the bat, the interface feels user-friendly, with a drag-and-drop functionality that allows even the most non-technical users to create a professional-looking site. You can choose from a variety of templates tailored for different industries, which is a nice touch. What stands out is the built-in tools for SEO and analytics, helping startups not only launch, but also understand their audience better. However, while the platform seems to cater well to beginners, I felt some features were a bit basic. For instance, the customization options, while visually appealing, can feel somewhat limited if you want to dive deep into design specifics. Plus, there's not a lot of information on performance metrics or case studies to back its effectiveness. On the plus side, Unicorn is easy to use and has a clean, modern aesthetic that's appealing for startups. The templates are versatile and the integration with social media is straightforward, which is crucial for new businesses looking to build an online presence. However, there are some downsides. The limited customization options may frustrate users who want more control over their site's look and feel. Also, I noticed a lack of transparency regarding pricing. There's not much detail on what you get with each plan, which might leave potential users feeling uncertain. Overall, while Unicorn may suit tech-savvy entrepreneurs or those who prioritize speed and ease, more experienced users might find it lacking in flexibility. In summary, Unicorn could be a solid choice for startups needing to establish a quick online presence without much fuss. However, if you're looking for advanced features or extensive customization, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, it's worth a try for those who value simplicity and efficiency.